Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We continue our unforgettable journey through Slovenia. Today, we're heading just across the border into Italy to discover a beautiful and lesser-known natural attraction, the Orrido dello Slizza, a stunning gorge near the town of Tarvisio. This place combines wild alpine nature, crystal clear water, and peaceful walking trails, perfect for a relaxed hiking day. Our journey begins in Kranjska Gora. From here, the drive to Orrido dello Slizza takes about 20 minutes, covering a distance of roughly 17 kilometers. This area lies close to the triple border of Slovenia, Italy, and Austria, which makes it culturally and geographically unique. As we drive, we notice how the landscape slowly changes. Slovenian alpine views blend into the Italian mountain scenery of the Friuli-Venezia Giulia region. Soon, we reach the parking area near the entrance to the gorge. It's just a few steps from the parking lot to the trail entrance. More precisely, it's a 5 to 7 minute walk. We put on comfortable shoes, grab some water, and get ready to explore. The moment we step onto the trail, the atmosphere changes. The air feels cooler, fresher, and filled with the sound of rushing water. Orrido dello Slizza is a deep natural gorge carved by the Slizza River over thousands of years. Steep rock walls rise on both sides, creating a dramatic and almost mystical environment. This trail is suitable for most visitors, including families and casual hikers. The main walking route through Orrido dello Slizza is about 2 kilometers long, and the hike usually takes 1 to 1.5 hours, depending on your pace and how often you stop. The Slizza River eventually flows into the Gale River in Austria, making this waterway part of an international river system. The gorge is especially impressive after rain, when the water level rises and the sound of the river becomes even more powerful. This place reminds me of Vintgar Gorge near Lake Bled in Slovenia. You can find the link to that video above. The gorge is located near Tarvisio, a charming alpine town in northern Italy. This region is known for its mountains, cycling paths, and hiking routes. In winter, Tarvisio becomes a popular ski destination. In summer, it attracts hikers, cyclists, and travelers looking for fresh air and quiet landscapes. The area is influenced by Italian, Austrian, and Slovenian cultures, which you can notice in the architecture, food, and local traditions. After completing the trail, we slowly make our way back toward the parking area. The walk feels calm and refreshing, and Orrido dello Slizza leaves a lasting impression with its raw, natural beauty. This is one of those places that feels untouched and authentic, perfect for anyone exploring the Alps beyond the usual tourist routes. And the most important thing is that entrance to the gorge is free. After our walk through the gorge, we continue our journey toward Monte Santo di Lussari. This is a famous pilgrimage site located high in the mountains, offering breathtaking panoramic views of 3 countries. We won't explore it in detail today. That adventure deserves its own video, so make sure you don't miss the next episode. And this brings us to the end of today's journey. Thank you so much for watching and traveling with us. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, leave a like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next part of our Europe road trip. See you in the next video. Bye for now.